Imagine a simple fruit transforming tough muscle fibers into succulent, melt-in-your-mouth perfection. This culinary magic isn't a secret. It's a powerful chemical reaction happening right in your kitchen. For centuries, cooks sought ways to tenderize meat, battling its inherent fibrous structure. Traditional methods involved long cooking times or mechanical pounding, often with inconsistent results. These techniques could often lead to dry, overcooked meat, despite their best tenderizing intentions. The quest for perfectly tender texture remained a significant challenge for even experienced chefs. But certain fruits contain invisible molecular erasers that revolutionize this age-old culinary problem. These natural proteins, called enzymes, specifically target the tough connective tissues within meat. They perform a precise chemical operation that traditional methods simply cannot replicate effectively. Understanding their action unlocks a world of incredibly tender, flavorful dishes without overcooking. It's about harnessing nature's own intricate chemistry to achieve perfect textures every single time. This scientific insight elevates everyday cooking into a truly remarkable and predictable art form. Consider bromelain, an enzyme found abundantly in fresh pineapple, a true culinary marvel.
Another potent example is papain, extracted from the unripe fruit of the papaya plant.
These enzymes are proteases, meaning they specialize in breaking down complex protein molecules. Meat's toughness primarily comes from collagen and elastin, long, interwoven protein strands. Collagen is a triple helix, a super-strong protein that provides structure and firmness to muscle. Elastin, as its name suggests, provides elasticity, making certain cuts incredibly chewy and resilient. Imagine these strands as tiny, incredibly strong ropes, binding the muscle fibers together tightly. When bromelain or papain comes into contact with meat, it begins to snip these protein ropes. The enzymes act like molecular scissors, precisely cutting the peptide bonds within the proteins. This process unravels the collagen and elastin, weakening the meat's rigid internal structure. The larger, tougher protein chains are broken down into smaller, softer, more manageable peptides. This chemical alteration directly transforms the meat's physical texture, making it far more pliable. But that's not the strangest part. Precise temperature control is absolutely crucial for optimal enzyme activity. Each enzyme has an ideal temperature range, where its catalytic efficiency reaches its peak performance. Too low a temperature, and the enzymes work sluggishly, barely affecting the meat's texture at all. Their molecular motion slows considerably, preventing efficient interaction with the target proteins. Too high, and the heat denatures the enzymes, rendering them completely inactive before their job is done. Denaturation means the enzyme's delicate three-dimensional structure unravels, destroying its active site. Once denatured, the enzyme can no longer function as a catalyst. It's permanently deactivated, or almost paste-like consistency in the meat, without turning meat mushy. Over-tenderizing can lead to an unappetizing, grainy, or almost paste-like consistency in the meat. Wait until you hear what comes next. The concentration of the enzyme also dictates its potency. A small amount provides subtle tenderizing, ideal for delicate cuts or shorter marinating times. A higher concentration accelerates the breakdown, requiring careful monitoring to avoid overprocessing. The duration of the enzyme's contact with the meat is equally important for desired results. Longer marinating times naturally lead to more extensive protein breakdown and greater tenderness. This targeted enzymatic action effectively erases the meat's original toughness, transforming its very essence. It's a controlled chemical decomposition, specifically designed to enhance culinary appeal and digestibility. Understanding these factors allows for precise manipulation of texture, a true chef's secret weapon. These natural protein sculptors work silently, delivering superior results far beyond mechanical tenderizers. This enzymatic tenderization opens up incredible possibilities for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Tougher, more affordable cuts of meat can now achieve premium tenderness with simple fruit marinades. Think about transforming a budget-friendly flank steak into a succulent, restaurant-quality experience. You can create exquisite dishes without relying on lengthy braising or expensive prime cuts. It significantly reduces cooking time, as the meat is already partially broken down before heating. This means less energy consumption and more time enjoying your meticulously prepared meals. The texture becomes uniformly tender throughout, avoiding those tough, chewy sections entirely. Every bite offers a consistent, pleasing mouthfeel, a hallmark of expertly cooked protein. Furthermore, these enzymes can enhance flavor absorption, allowing marinades to penetrate deeper. The loosened protein structure creates more pathways for savory liquids to infuse the meat. This means richer, more complex taste profiles, making every bite a truly remarkable experience. Beyond meat, enzymes also play roles in cheesemaking, bread baking, and even coffee fermentation processes. Their versatile applications showcase the pervasive influence of chemistry in our daily culinary lives. Harnessing these natural erasers elevates your cooking to an entirely new, more delicious level. It's a profound demonstration of how scientific knowledge empowers us to master the kitchen. Ultimately, understanding the power of enzymatic erasers unveils a profound secret of culinary chemistry. If you found this fascinating exploration of food science captivating, subscribe for more incredible discoveries, and let me know in the comments what other cooking mysteries you'd like us to unravel next.